How do we solve this logarithmic equation? X to the power of 1 plus log x equal to 10x, such that x is different from 0. Without further delay, let us begin. Solution. We have x raised to 1 plus log x equal to 10x. This left hand side could be written as x to the power of 1 times x raised to log x equal to 10x. X raised to 1 is simply x times x raised to log x equal to 10x. Now, let us divide both sides by x. So we have x times x raised to log x divided by x equal to 10x divided by x. This means that this x takes care of this x. We are left with x raised to log x equal to x also cancel x here. We have 10. The next thing we are going to do is to take natural log of both sides. So that will be log x raised to log x equal to log 10. Now, recall that, let's say we have log a raised to m. This is equal to m times log a. Applying this property to this left hand side, we have log x times log x equal to log 10. Log x times log x, that is log x all squared equal to log 10. Let's proceed further. Log x all squared is equal to, the base of a natural logarithm is 10. So we can write this guy as log 10 base 10. Log x all squared is equal to, since log 10 base 10 is equals to 1, so this guy becomes 1. Now, let us take square root of both sides. So we have square root of log x all squared equal to plus or minus square root of 1. Clearly, this bigger square root takes care of this power. We have log x equal to plus or minus square root of 1, that is 1. This means that the base of a natural logarithm is 10. That means we can rewrite log x as log x base 10 equal to plus or minus 1. This means that x is equal to 10 raised to plus or minus 1. So x is equal to 10 raised to 1, or x is equals to 10 raised to minus 1. Clearly, x is equals to 10, or x is equals to 10 raised to minus 1 could be written as 1 over 10. Let's call this x1 and this x2. Let us verify if these answers are correct. Verify. The original question says x raised to 1 plus log x is equals to 10x. Let us verify when x equals to 10. When x is equals to 10, this means that anywhere we see x, we have to replace it with 10. So we have 10 raised to 1 plus log 10 equal to 10 times 10. This means that 10 raised to 1 plus log 10 could be written as 10 raised to 1 times 10 raised to log 10 equal to 10 times 10. 10 raised to 1, that is simply 10 times 10. Since we know that the natural base of a logarithm is 10, we can rewrite this power as log 10 base 10 equal to 10 times 10. Let's proceed further. So we have 10 times 10. Since log 10 base 10 is equal to 1, so let us replace this power with 1. So we have 1 equal to 10 times 10. So we have 10 times 10 equal to 10 times 10. 10 times 10, that is 100, equal to 100. This shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side? Does indeed. The first solution, which is x1 equals to 10, is correct. Let us verify the second one. Using the original equation, which is x raised to 1 plus log x equal to 10x. When x is equals to 1 over 10, 1 over 10 is equal to 10 raised to negative 1. So that means from here we have 10 raised to negative 1 times this power 1 plus log. Instead of writing x, we write 10 raised to negative 1 equal to 10 times 10 raised to negative 1. This means that 10 raised to negative 1 into 1. When this minus 1 comes here, this sign change. So we have minus log 10. This equal to 10 times 10 raised to negative 1. This means that we have 10 minus 1 times 1, that is negative 1, minus 1 times minus log 10, we have plus log 10. This equal to 10 times 10 raised to negative 1. Let's proceed further. This left hand side could be written as 10 raised to negative 1 times 10 raised to log 10 equal to 10 times 10 raised to negative 1. Let's proceed further. We have 10 raised to negative 1 times 10. Since we know that the base of a natural logarithm is 10, we can rewrite log 10 as log 10 base 10. This equal to 10 times 10 raised to negative 1. This means that 10 raised to negative 1 times 10, log 10 base 10 is simply 1. This equal to 10 times 10 raised to negative 1. So we have 10 raised to negative 1 times 10 raised to 1, that is simply 10, equal to 10 times 10 raised to negative 1. You will see that the left hand side is the same thing as the right hand side. Thus, indeed, the second solution, which is s2 equals to 1 over 10, is correct. That's it. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video.